Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Art and Ideas. Today I am going to show you how beautifully you can draw a picture without using your brush, your color box, pencils and etc. So let's not speak more, start painting with me. Hey, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I didn't trim any portion while editing this video. Please do not miss any step and watch the video till end so that you can understand the process thoroughly. In my painting, I want an eye-soothing color of dusky nature. The time just before the night comes across. You know when it is not yet completely dark? I guess the twilight. According to that, I will adjust the colors from the color palette and then I will mix the layers. Infinite Painter provides you plenty of brushes like paint brush, color brush, sprayers and even pens, calligraphy maker, markers, charcoals, chalks, plenty of textures, designs and whatnot. You can also download or create your own brush. You just have to portray your imagination on your digital paper. Even you can custom your own digital canvas. I think this is lovely. Okay, now let me give you some tips on Infinite Painter. Zooming is actually important when you are adding some details in your drawing. Pinch the screen to zoom in or out. Secondly, always check the blending modes while blending colors. Make sure that you are selecting the proper blending mode. As Infinite Painter offering you huge number of blenders, more than 25. If the blending mode is wrongly chosen, then it can create trouble when you are mixing the colors. And last but not the least, if you do a mistake, just undo it and repaint. Isn't it amazing? Now I will add a couple figures. For me it is easy to draw anything digitally. As a beginner it is a bit complicated if you draw the figures directly on the digital platform. I suggest you to draw the figures in your sketchbook first and then take a picture of that. You can import pictures in this app, take it as a reference. It will helpful. So that's it. Look how beautiful and simple it is. If you find the video is supportive, please subscribe my channel for more paintings and ideas. Like the video, share it, and hey, don't forget to comment about your experience on digital art. Thank you, stay healthy, see you in the next video.